Taste, really.
A little bit of salt. You can always salt afterwards.
So my spiralizer, it comes with 3 different attachments, and it just, the 2 are saved in here. Depending which ones you pick, it just makes bigger or smaller noodles. So I went with the medium one. Now this little side here, I'm not really sure what that does.
Let me see.
The little notches.
That grates. I'm pretty sure to like make it like little like spaghetti noodle looking things.
So I guess you have to have the 2 combined to get your noodles.
But we don't do that.
And then this is nice because it's got suction cups, so it's very handy in the kitchen to kind of sandwich this puppy down. And then you'll get a bowl and stick it on the end where your noodles come out. So you try to center your zucchini as best you can right in the middle, and then smash the spikes back there. Then I hold with one hand and just start turning. You can tell when I'm not smashed down all the way, it wants to move on me. And start turning and it should start spiralizing. I feel like this is a fancy way to impress people at a potluck or your neighbors by doing something that's really not all that fancy.
It's not gonna work like I wanted.
Yeah, and it, you know, it kind of comes out the back end messy. But that's all right. That's why we outside.
We've cooked this noodles before too, a little bit, steamed it, and it came out really weird because it, you know, zucchini holds a lot of water, so it would release the water and be kind of jacked up, but.
And so what you should be seeing is these noodles coming out, and then you get this one long kind of centerpiece, which is supposed to be there. And then you pretty much go all the way until the little plastic spokes from this are almost at your cutting piece.
So you don't cut your finger off?
Well, yeah, you don't grate your spokes.
I want this piece right here.
And you can pull that off and pull that out, and that's what you got left over. Put it in your compost, feed it to your chickens, whatever you want to do with it.
I'm gonna feed it to myself.